And now your weather with Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
Tropical weather is moving through right now, but polar weather is on its way. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Highs tomorrow will be in the lower half of the 80s, but it's going to turn sharply cooler as a very chilly air mass drops south from the North Pole. As we head into this upcoming weekend, temperatures only in the 60s to around 70 degrees. Right now, we are looking at temperatures that range from the 60s, where it's been raining for a little while now, to the lower 80s across the far north, where we've had more sunshine throughout the late afternoon and early evening. Currently in Green Bay, it is 72 degrees, and we have tropical rains falling from the skies as the remnants of Tropical Storm Cristobal move right over the state. It is 72 in Appleton, and that easterly wind is beginning to pick up. As you take a look at the radar, you can see a large area of light to moderate rain with some pockets of heavier rain now mixing in from Manitowoc west across the Fox Valley back towards central Wisconsin. You can see the circulation associated with Cristobal moving across eastern Iowa, northwestern Illinois, and now southwestern Wisconsin. And it is quickly moving north and east at around 25 to 30 miles per hour. So tonight we're dealing with the remnants of Tropical Storm Cristobal. But if you look off to the south and west, there's another area of low pressure, and it's pretty strong as well. And that's going to move through tomorrow evening. So the remnants of Cristobal will make its way right across central and northeast Wisconsin as we progress through the evening. It's going to produce wet and windy conditions, as I mentioned. First, the wind. We've got wind advisories up for parts of central and eastern Wisconsin. We're looking at the threat of winds gusting to around 45 miles per hour. Later on tonight into the early morning hours of Wednesday, the strongest wind gusts will be near the Bay and Lake Michigan. Also, the threat for heavy rain. You can see here on SkyCast, we're going to be looking at periods of rain as we progress through the evening. It'll be mainly light to moderate, but there are going to be some batches of heavier rain moving through from time to time later on this evening into the early morning hours of Wednesday. For Wednesday, we'll have a break between the two systems, Cristobal moving north, the next low moving in from the south and west. Within that break, we'll have a mixture of sun and clouds for much of the afternoon with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. High temperatures once again getting back up into the 80s. You can see that punch of drier weather moving through at around 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. And then the next system moves through tomorrow evening into early Thursday morning with the potential for more rain. It could be locally heavy once again. And by the time we get to late Wednesday or early Thursday, most spots probably seeing about 1 to 2 inches of rain, but some locally higher amounts are possible, and that could produce some minor flooding. Now, as far as the records are concerned with Cristobal, it is only the 4th tropical system to ever move across the state of Wisconsin. You can see we had Hurricane Gilbert, the unnamed hurricane, and also the remnants of the Galveston hurricane. And here's a map that shows that generally all those tracks stay well to our south and east. So this is pretty impressive. All right, tonight, wet and windy, lows in the 60s. Tomorrow, sun and clouds, some showers and thunderstorms. It'll be humid with temperatures getting back up into the 80s. Morning rain on Thursday, then decreasing clouds, low to mid-70s. Cool on Friday and Saturday. Maybe a shower on Friday, sun and clouds on Saturday, and then slowly start to warming up as we head into early next week. So this will be the 4th tropical system to move across Wisconsin. It'll also be the farthest north and west a tropical system has ever moved in the lower 48 since records have been kept.
Certainly has been an unpredictable year so far.